Good evening, everyone. We are going to start class right now. So, in a previous class, we have discussed about the Tinkercad and we have made some project over there on the Tinkercad. Today, we are going to move ahead with the Tinkercad and we are going to do some program in the Arduino also over there. So, let's get started over there in the Tinkercad. So this one we have discussed over there in a previous session that how we can read any kind of digital signal. So, so how we can read any kind of digital signal in the Tinkercad that we are going to discuss over here. So that is automatic doorbell we made over there and automatic door opening also we made one project using Tinkercad and we have created code also over there in a graphical way. So this one was the code over there in the Tinkercad. Now, this one is the digital sensor we were reading over there, and we based on that, we can make any conditions, any project you can make it. So now we are going to move ahead over here. So first of all, I want to know from the participant, am I audible to everyone? Kindly give your response in the chat box. Voice is audible to everyone. You can give your response in the chat box. Am I audible to all the participants? Okay, that's great. That's great. Thank you so much for your kind response. So now, what we are going to do, we are going to start building new project. Okay. So before going to move ahead, we are going to create a Google Classroom also. In the classroom, what you have to do, you have to join the classroom, and after joining the classroom, whatever project you are going to make it on the Tinkercad, so that will be get submitted automatically to us as a assignment. So no need to worry over there. So your assignment will be get submitted automatically after joining the classroom. So we are going to create over here one classroom. So how to join the classroom, that I will let you know. No need to worry about it. This one is the name of the classroom. College grade, subject engineering, create. So I created over here one new classroom. So over there, how you can join a classroom. This one is the class code, or you can follow this one. I'm going to share this link with you all. Using this link, you can join the classroom. So it will ask about the nickname you have to enter over there. So you can enter directly code over there and in your Tinkercad joining the classroom. So I'm just going to copy the link. That link I'm just going to share with you in the chat box so that you can join the class. Okay, using this link directly, you have to open this link and you will able to join the Tinkercad classroom automatically. Once you have to create account over there in Tinkercad, then after that you have to open this link. After opening this link, you will able to join the classroom. Link is being get shared in the chat box over here in the meeting chat. So you can open and you can join the classroom over there. So now I'm going to check it out that how many participants had joined the class. Or directly you can go to the Tinkercad and over there in the Tinkercad left hand side, you are going to find classes and over there you can join the class. So you can join the class option you are going to get in your Tinkercad. So with the help of that, you can enter that class code and you can join the class. So class code link is being get shared in the chat box. Directly you can use that link and you can join the class. So let me see how many participants joined the class till now. So yes, many participants had joined the class. That's great. So now whatever you are going to make circuit in the Tinkercad, that will be get submitted as a assignment. No need to submit assignment separately. So your work is being get monitored. Mean you have to make project over there in the Tinkercad, whatever is being get discussed in a class. So that will be the part of your assignment, because at the end of this training program you have to maintain your daily diary and all that. That will be the record of your daily diary, that what you have created daily over there in the Tinkercad. Okay, that's great. So if there is any participant which one is facing issue while joining the classroom, they can type in the chat box. So I shared the link on the chat box. Again, I'm going to share the link in the chat box, so that if any participant join late, so this one is the link. Okay, that's great. So now class code, when we talk about it, so this one is the class code that you can see. Those are watching on the YouTube, you can use this class code, and with the help of that you can join the classroom. So that Tinkercad classroom, you can join it using this link. So you are going to find over there iiot S24B1, that is the name of the classroom. Okay, then after that you no need to do anything, and just you have to work as natural you are working earlier, whatever project you are making on the Tinkercad, so that will be automatically get submitted, or we will able to access it. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to start working on the new project in the Tinkercad. So we have discussed over there. Okay, let me check if any participant has created some project or not. So we will able to access your projects, whatever projects you made over there in the Tinkercad. Okay, one project 3 days ago, they have created it over here. That's good, but they have not given any name. So whatever project you are making, kindly give the name to that project also, so that that can be get submitted. Okay, so now I'm going to create a new project, circuit, and a new project, create new circuit. So today what we are going to do, we are going to use one component that is known as relay. So relay we are going to use it. So what you can do using the relay, if you want to make on and off your home appliance, AC appliance, the appliance which will operate on 220 volt. Just suppose you are having a ceiling fan at your home, you are having a refrigerator at your home, you are having a TV, you are having a washing machine. So whatever AC appliance, those are running on 220 volt. If you want to operate those appliance, you want to control those appliance using Arduino board. So how you can do it? For that you have to use relay board. So what is that relay board? First of all, we are going to discuss, and we are going to make a circuit of relay board. So first of all, we are going to see how relay is working. What is the relay and how it is working. So now over there you can see this one is relay board. So when we talk about the relay board, in this relay you can see there are terminals. So this one terminal is known as NC. NC stand for normally closed, and NO stand for normally open, and COM stand for common terminal. So these are the terminal of a relay. And then there is two more terminal. This one terminal is A and this one is B. We can call it coil terminal A and B. And this one is the battery and the switch. We can mount it over there to check it out. But in replacement of those battery and switch, we have to use Arduino digital output. Like from the digital output, we have turned on the buzzer, we have turned on the motor, we have turned on the 3 LED sequence also. So that's digital output of the Arduino. We have to connect it over here with the coil 1 and coil 2. So with the help of that, what we can do, we can make it on and off. So what is the advantage of this relay? You can see it over here. We are providing signal from over here from the Arduino, and we will able to switch high current rating load. This one can be 220 volt also over here. So let me show you. So over here, in replacement of this battery, you can use 220 volt AC also, AC supply. So that also you can use it over here, and you can use AC bulb over here, and that you can connect it like this. And from the Arduino, you have to provide over here the digital signal, that is plus 5 volt signal from the Arduino, high and low. 0 and 5 volt signal you have to provide it from the Arduino. In 0 volt, this one will be off, and when we are providing 5 volt, it will be on. On mean when it is in off, you can see this connection is disconnected from this one. When we are going to provide 5 volt signal over here, what is happening? This strip get connected over here with this one, like this, like this. Sorry. So now when this is get connected, you can see your circuit will be closed, and after closing the circuit, you are going to get output over here that your bulb will be on. That can be 220 volt, or that can be DC supply also. So this one is the relay working, that how that relay is connected with the Arduino, that you can see it. So these are the relay connections. So you can power it with the 220 volt over here, and then after that, so this one is the 220 volt AC supply that we are going to give it. So this one is AC, and this one is AC bulb, and what from the Arduino we are giving the signal from 2 number pin to this relay board. And when we are giving signal high, so bulb will be on, and this connection will be get completed, and when there is no signal, this connection will be cut it like this. So this one is relay working, how relay is working. Now we are going to use this relay for making project. So now we are going to move ahead. Yes. Okay. Now what we are going to do it over here, we are going to make the circuit on the Tinkercad, and we are going to check it out that how relay is working. Let's see how relay is working over there. So we are going to check the relay. Now we can go to the Tinkercad and check it out how the relay circuit is working. Okay, so over there, how we can check the relay? So you can search with the component name relay. Relay, you can search it like this. This one is relay. And now after bringing it over here, so there is two type of relay. One is SPDT and second is DPDT. SPDT stand for single pole single throw, and DPDT stand for dual pole dual throw. So first of all, we are going to take single pole single throw relay, that we are going to use it over here. Then after that, we are going to move ahead, and how we are going to connect it, that we are going to check it out. Now over there, what we are going to do it over here, we are going to check it out the connection. So you can see whenever we are going to use any relay, there is a circuit diagram that is representing over here, that you can see it. In the circuit diagram, you can see these two points are representing over here, that is the coil terminal, these 2 points. So these 2 points in the relay, you can see it, this one terminal 5 and terminal 8. These are coil terminal A and B. And this one is the common terminal. This one is common terminal. These both two are connected together. These are common terminal in a relay. And then this one is, you can see, that is connected by default with a common, that is known as a normally closed. So common wire is connected via strip like this by default without providing any signal. This one is normally closed, this terminal, terminal 7. And terminal 6 is normally open, that you can see. When we are going to provide signal to terminal A and B, then this strip get connected with this one. So this one is normally open by default, normally open like this. Now what we are going to do over here, we are going to check it out that how we have to connect wiring with the relay. So first of all, what I'm going to take one battery to provide signal over there in the relay, or you can use directly Arduino, and we can connect any load also. So let me take one bulb over there. Directly you can search with the name of bulb. You can get this bulb like this. So this bulb we are going to connect with the power supply. You can take power supply, you can search it with the name of power supply like this. Then after that, we are going to make a connection of bulb and power supply. So see it very carefully. So first of all, we are going to take this positive wire, and then we are going to connect with the common terminal like this. You can make it color with the red color. So we have connected it with this one. Then after that, this one is by default normally open. So this wire, we are going to take it from over here, and you can connect it with the bulb like this. So this one is the positive wire connecting wire relay. So in a simple way, just try to understand what is the role of relay. So this negative wire, I'm going to connect it with negative wire. So bulb is connected negative directly, positive wire relay. If there is no relay, so this connection will be directly connected with this one. So bulb will be on. So when we are going to provide signal to this relay, then only this wire will be get connected like this. So how the bulb will be on? So we are going to provide any signal from the Arduino. So let me take microcontroller board over here, Arduino board. So this one is very smart board, intelligent board. So we are going to make intelligent bulb over there, and whenever we are going to give signal to this bulb, then only it will be on. So now you can take, there is two coil terminal. These are two terminal 15 and terminal 8. So these terminal are coil terminals. So one terminal you can connect with any one terminal, you can connect it with the ground like this. And the second terminal over here, that is terminal 5, that we are going to connect with any digital pin, any signal pin. Let me connect it with the 9 number pin. 9 number pin. So you can make it over here. 9 number pin, that is signal wire. Let it make it orange. So these are the connection of the relay. Nothing else we have to do it. Now we can start simulation and check it out what is happening. Simulation we have started, but nothing is happening over there. You can set voltage over here, that is 12 volt. But still bulb is off. So your bulb is off because we have given signal from the 9 number pin, but we have not written any code yet. So we have to write code in the 9 number pin. We have to use some condition on the pin number 9 so that it can work over there. So that we are going to do it over here. So how to write code over there, that is very, very important, that we are going to discuss over here. So first of all, whenever we are going to write code, so we have to go to the code, and you can see this one is by default code. Whenever you are going to take Arduino first time over here in the workspace, so by default code for built-in LED, that is 30 number LED, this one blinking. This one is code for LED on and LED off. So first of all, you can delete this code, put it in the dustbin like this. So my code is deleted over there. So after that, what next you have to do after deleting this code, we are going to write our own customized code. Just simple code we have to write it for LED on off code. Earlier we have written single LED on off code. So this second block we have to take it. So how you came to know that which block we have to take it? For that you required a practice. You are going to start building one by one project. So you will get familiar that which block we have to take it. That which block you have to take it from this one. So now what we are going to do, we are going to write code for LED on off like this. LED, and then after that we are going to click the pin number, 9 number pin. So this one is high. When we are going to write this code only and start simulation, so LED will be always high, mean this pin will be always high and bulb will be always on. So the benefit of relay is that Arduino can provide maximum signal on these pins, that is 5 volt signal. But this relay, this bulb is working on 12 volt. So using relay, you can run high voltage, high power rating appliance that you cannot run directly. So this bulb directly cannot glow from the Arduino like LED we were glowing earlier. This require high power, 250 milliampere current is required. So now we can make code for making it off, stop it. Either you can do it manually, low. So now LED with this bulb will be low. So what next we have to do? We have to write code for automatic LED, automatic bulb blinking. So you can make it high, then wait, again go to the output. That second block again you have to take it. Pin number you can select it 9 number pin. And then after that you can go to the control, then you can go to the weight high and you can make it low like this. So 9 number pin high, wait for 1 second, 9 number pin 1 low, wait for 1 second. So LED, this bulb will start repeating turning on and off. This one is the code we have written it. So this one is the beauty of the Tinkercad. Whatever code we have written, that we can see in the real time that how it will perform in the hardware. If there is any error in the hardware, that we can troubleshoot it. If there is any error in the code, that also we can troubleshoot it, because we know that what output is coming. We know the output of this circuitry. So now what we are going to do over here. So this one is simple code that we made it over here for connecting relay with the Arduino. So using relay, what more you can do, you can connect high voltage rating appliance like more than 100 volt, 200 volt, that can be DC also, that can be AC also. So there is no physical connection of this load, this supply with this Arduino board. There is a isolation between them. So using that, if somehow if your relay get faulty, so your high voltage will not go to the Arduino directly. So that can damage sometime in the Arduino board. So that can save your Arduino board also. So there are some drawbacks also over there. So drawback means the switching speed is slow of this relay. Like whenever we are going to run this relay, so there is some sound that is coming in the relay, that is tick, 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 some kind of sound. Might be you have seen in the inverter also at your home when the light is main supply is off. So inverter shifting to the grid. So then it's doing, sorry, inverter shifting to the battery. Then it's doing some tick, tick sound. So that is due to the relay. In the same, like when we are using voltage stabilizer in the AC, automatic voltage stabilizer, if there is any voltage fluctuation, that also doing some sound tick, tick, tick something, there is also relay inside it. So relay is doing that sound over there inside it. Like as we have seen the relay working. So in the relay over there, you can see there is this uh, coil. When we are going to provide voltage, this will attract this one, and this is a metal strip. So it do some sound over there, mechanical sound. So that's why. So whenever we are going to purchase any relay, you are going to find circuit over there like this. This one is a circuit over there in the relay. So and over there you are going to find power rating of that relay. Relay is coming with a different current rating, amperage rating. Based on that, that relay will work. So this one is about the relay circuitry. So is it clear to everyone that how we can control any AC appliance using the relay? Right now in the Tinkercad we cannot show any AC supply, but you can mount over here in replacement of this DC voltage supply. You can mount any AC load also, and you can connect AC appliance also with the relay. Relay module is directly available in the market. So as I shown you over here in the PPT, so this one is a relay module that is available in the market. Just you have to make a connection like this one is your home appliance like AC, your fan, TV, LED bulb or light. So just you have to cut one wire and you can insert in the relay board, and you can power this relay from the Arduino, and you will able to control that appliance using Arduino, using your program, whatever condition you want to write it. So this one is simple condition we have written it for relay for LED on off. Now what we are going to do in the same case, we are going to use PIR sensor like earlier we have used, and we are going to make automatic kitchen light in real time using relay. So how it will work, that we are going to see it. So for that, what we are going to do, we are going to write code over here for PIR sensor. So let me connect the PIR sensor. PIR sensor is very important sensor. Many projects you can make it using this one. So there is three wires. One is signal wire you can connect with any digital pin. So I'm going to use a D3 pin. And this one is power you can connect with 5 volt. This one is ground. You can connect with black one. This brown, and this one you can make it red wire. So these are the connection that we have done it for the sensor. Now what we have to do over here, let me move it little bit aside. Okay. Now we have to write code for the sensor. This one is simple on off code. Now we are going to use sensor code first of all. So go to the input, read a digital pin. Then we are going to use output. So that is sprint to serial monitor block. We have to take it like earlier we have done it. Now this one you can fit it like this over here. So now over there you can read the pins. So pin we are going to use it over here. Digital pin. So you can select the pin for the sensor, that is 3 number pin. So we are reading sensor value and we are printing it on the serial monitor. When we start simulations, we will able to read sensor value over there, 0 or 1, whatever we are getting it. 0. Okay. So sensor is working. Now we have to make if and else conditions. So how we are going to make if then else condition over there, that is very, very important. So go to the control. Same thing like earlier we have done, that we are going to repeat it. So go to the if then else conditions. This one is if then else condition, and then we have to go to the math. Same step we are doing it over here again, so that that step can be also get revised about the code. Math, in the math we have to take second block, that is the comparison block. This one block you can take it and you can insert it. Now we are going to compare sensor value. This one is the sensor value. You can take this block again, read digital pin, and you can insert it over here in replacement of this. Pin number is 3. Very important. Always we have to select correct pin number. And this one is less than equal, you can make it equal. If the sensor value is equal to 1, what you want to do? So you want to turn on this bulb. So go to the output. You can use second block of high and low. And pin number is 9 number pin for relay. So that we are going to select it over here, 9 number high, and in else conditions you can make it duplicate, and that you can make it low, high and low like this. And you can start simulations. So what is happening over there, whenever you are going to do it like this, so over there you can see this uh, bulb should be on when there is any object in front of the sensor. Now object is there, but there is no motion. If there is any motion over there, you can see bulb is turning on. If there is no motions, that bulb is turning on using relay. That is the important point. Because today we have discussed about the concept of relay. So now you can see there is no object in front of the sensor range. If the object is coming, so bulb is turning on. In replacement of bulb, that you can add on any other thing that you want to make it on using this one. Any theft alarm you can make it, buzzer earlier we have discussed. So relay is very important component. With the help of that you can make many projects very easily, and that relay cost is approximate 90 to 100 rupees, that is available in the market. Easily you can purchase and you can mount it with the Arduino and you can connect any kind of AC load. But you should know that how to use relay, what is the working of that relay, what is inside that relay. So all these things that we have discussed over here. And when we talk about the code in a C++, so now over there you can see block plus text, this one is your C++ code. In the C++ code, same thing we are doing it. First of all, we are printing to serial monitor the value we are reading from 3 number pin. Then if condition, if sensor value is equal to 1, digital write mean 9 number pin high, else 9 number pin low. This one is a by default delay of 10 microseconds, 10 milliseconds. So this one is by default code over there that is generated automatically. So go back to the blocks like this. So now today we have discussed about relay and how to make a connection of the relay and how we have done coding over here in the relay. So if there is any doubt till now, you can give your response in the chat box and you can ask your queries. If there is any doubt, you can ask in the chat box. If there is no doubt, you can type N in the chat box. So is it clear to everyone? If it is clear to everyone, you can type N. Otherwise, you can type your queries if there is any doubt. Okay, there is no doubt. That's great. Yes, it shows that that is clear to everyone that how we can connect the relay. Okay. So you can save this whatever project you are making. You have to save it with the name of whatever project you are making it relay based kitchen smart light. So I just give a name over there in this project, that is relay based kitchen smart light. So this one is our project. So we made another project today. So that is about relay and relay based smart light. So whenever you are going to make it, you have to make your circuit neat and clean. Neat and clean. All the wiring should be properly mounted like this, and that should be neat and clean, so that should be understandable for everyone, other one also. And whatever circuit you made it, there is option over there, this one. So using this one, you can see the schematic view of that circuit also like this. How relay is connected, you can see bulb is connected, Arduino PIR sensor, so that you can get it using this one. And you can download also this one for your file, adding in your file or daily diary. You can download that circuitry later on, and you are going to find date also over there. That is important. That's why I'm telling you, every day whatever we are doing in the class, you have to try to make a circuit in your computer or in your laptop, so that that can be your daily diary can be maintained over there. Otherwise at the end you have to make all the projects with your own. Might be at that time you can face some difficulty. Project name is also written over there. So this one is about the relay, how we are working with the relay, and we can write code over there. So a new project we can start over here also. In this relay, what you can do, in replacement of bulb, you can connect any other appliance also. Like if you want to connect the motors, that also you can connect it. Any high ampere rating motor, that also you can connect it. Like suppose I'm just going to connect it, one motor like this, in replacement of this bulb, that also you can connect it. So we have to connect this one with normally open. So this one we are going to connect it with the negative one. Start simulation only in replacement of bulb. I just connected motor, nothing else. If there is any motion, you can see motor is turning on with the RPM. Some RPM is showing. So RPM is showing negative over here. Why it is so? Because positive we have connected with the negative. Negative we have connected with the positive. That's why RPM showing negative. Negative mean direction anti-clockwise. Nothing else. It is working. Otherwise it is not working over there. So this one is about the relay that we have discussed over here, and the connections and the code we have written for the relay over here in a graphical coding. Later on we are going to talk about that C++ coding also. So today we are going to sum up the session over here, so that this one is little bit complex circuitry. So I'm not going to add on 2 to 3 circuits, so otherwise you will get confused. So first of all, you have to practice this relay. Then after that, we will move ahead with another coding example and another complex coding example that also we are going to do it in the next sessions. So hope you enjoyed this class. If you enjoyed this session, you can type Y in the chat box. And if there is any doubt, queries, that you can type over there in the chat box. Yes, those participants required confirmation letter, or there is some format over there. You required a company stamp and sign. So the participant can WhatsApp me that document, and we will do all the formality whatever required for that. So thank you so much for joining this summer training program. So we are going to make it more interesting in the coming sessions. More interesting project that we are going to make it, and we will show some live project also in the real time, how you can deploy it. So some advanced project also we are going to do it. So be with us, do little bit practice at your home when you are going to get free time, and whatever project you are making it, that will be get submitted as a assignment automatically. For that you have to join the classroom. So class code I shared with you in the chat box. Again I'm going to share with you that class code. So with the help of that, you can join the class. I will share that code in the WhatsApp group also. Those participants are not in a WhatsApp group, they can ping me. So I shared my number over there. I'm going to share it again also in the chat box like this. Okay, so thank you so much. We are going to sum up this class over here. Thank you so much.